certainly opened a lot of new opportunities for me. Having a NIW, that is something relieving. I don't need to be stressed about. It still offers a lot of benefits. My case was filed as a NIW EB2. And why did I file? I'm from India, so I already have a perm with the I-140 approved. And the reason I went with NIW because in moving jobs, having an NIW helps you so that you don't need your firm to apply your perm again and I-140 again. So that's the number one benefit for NIW, particularly for Indians, because as you know, the priority dates for Indians are pretty long, so it may take a decade or so. But still, NIW offers you that benefit of moving jobs without having to worry about employer having to file your perm and I-140. So having an NIW, it's a very good a very good kind of option for you if you are somebody who wants to switch jobs, but you have an I-140. Yes, only a few that told me you have a chance, and very few were like your firm was the one that saying that you have a good chance. I almost considered 5 or 6. Out of those 5 or 6, about 4 of them said your case won't be approved or you're not qualified. I would just say that to people that before you go with a particular firm for your immigration services, spend time or talk to them, and your firm does look at the profiles and they come up with good comments. And I also know because I forgot to mention that I am in East Coast and you guys are pretty much focused in the West Coast. I looked at a lot of legal firms in this region, Virginia, DC, New York, New Jersey. A lot of them just without looking at your profile, they just say yes or no right away. And so that kind of gives me a doubt that you didn't even look at my profile enough, right? And how can you make any judgment about it, right? So with your firm, that's that good thing that you look at it and give good commentary about what you need to do. So that's overall, I would say, very good practice that you guys have. So it's yeah, the confidence you showed me, looking at my profile, and that was something good. Because obviously, you go with any lawyer, you have to spend. There's a good bit of legal fee and the filing fee. So the moment when you guys show that confidence that your case is strong and you get approved, that was a good part from you guys. That was, I already mentioned a few points. There was that confidence, and also so that due diligence from your side was one reason. Before even I was a client, you looked at the documents, you looked at my case, and came up with comments that you would need these things to do to get your case approved. Pretty excellent job overall. The kind of the logistical part of sharing files, working with you, being on time, responding on time, and being available for calls. I used to call my assistant, like, so they were ready to respond any day or any time you pick. A pretty positive note on overall experience. Was very happy. It certainly opened a lot of new opportunities for me because having a NIW, and also I'm not sure if you guys still have that, the fee structure you guys have that saying that if your case is not approved, your half of your fee is not charged or waived. Yeah, that was another reason I went with you guys. You guys have that formal setup. You have that 14 folder structure that you have to work on each of the items. So just working for NIW case, the package you guys suggest, it takes a good bit of time. So that I'm not sure because I didn't consult a lot with other firms, but the package that you prepare, that's a good sign that I mean, at least it's a good setup that one can prepare or one can work for. So yeah, I think those are all the reasons that I went with you guys. So that was kind of a very good experience, and obviously it's something good. But yeah, I mean, if it was the same, I know there are people from other countries. They get NIW and their green card is they can get right away because the priority dates are available. But for us, it still offers a lot of benefits. It's just the mentality or the psychology that I don't need to be worried about my employer to file my perm, right? That's the psychology where you at least have the mindset that yeah, if I move jobs, all I need is H1B. So that is something relieving. I don't need to be stressed about. Uh, firm needs to file my perm, right? And that these days it's another perms are taking over 2 years or even 18 months, so that adds to stress, right? So at least I'm relieved from that part. The recommendation I would have is go for it and consult with you guys and see, maybe you have a chance getting an approval, and you guys do a good kind of suggestion that hey, that you are not call you your profile is not strong now, but in a year, in couple of years, if you do so and so, you might have a chance. So that again itself, just one time conversation to get your profile reviewed from you guys, that is even I would say pretty much everybody should do, because having an NRW, it's a very helpful in your overall immigration process, I would say. Yeah.